Hello guys, welcome to my new tutorial on how to use Adobe Photoshop CS6. Before we start with the actual tutorial, I would like to suggest that if you are really serious about learning this amazing software, please subscribe. Uh, I'll give you a second, please subscribe. Thank you. Well, let's start. Okay, before we start with Adobe Photoshop CS6, I would like to give a little introduction of what Adobe Photoshop CS6 works. Actually, it is a raster graphics editing program, which means raster graphics. If you know it, then it's good. If you don't know, for those who don't know, raster graphics means any sort of graphics which uses pixels. Okay, pixels. The images that you use in your phone, okay, the pictures, the images, okay, when you click a photo, the images, they are made up of pixels. The television that you're watching at your home, they are made up of pixels. Okay, great. So whatever we are going to do in Photoshop, we are only going to manipulate those pixels. That's how Photoshop works. Okay, let's start. First of all, let's understand what is the workspace. Okay, how to work around. For that, come to Window, Workspace, and you can choose these workspaces given here: Essentials, New in CS6, Painting, Photography, or Typography. Okay, I recommend that you use Essentials default. It doesn't and when you are kind of according to your needs, you can always use other type of workspaces like painting, photography, typography. I'll show you painting. Okay, if you are into digital painting, you can always use this workspace. Photography, okay, photography related, and then typography. Okay, doesn't matter, you can always there are a whole lot of your tabs here. You can always choose your desired palettes here. Brush, okay, you can always close them. Okay, let's start. For now I will choose Essentials default. I also recommend that you use Essential default for this tutorial. Okay, the bar that you see here, the topmost bar, it is known as the menu bar. Just like any other software, menu bar is a very common thing. The second is the property bar. The reason why it is known as property bar is because when you choose the toolbox here, when you choose any of the tools here and choose any of the tool, the property of the tool will be shown here. Okay, just like I'll choose the eraser tool here. Okay, the property of the eraser is shown over here. You can choose the size of the eraser in pixels, the hardness of the eraser, okay, brush, pencil, block, the type of eraser you are using, the opacity, hardness or softness, okay, the flow. Okay, so put simple, property bar is nothing but when you choose any of your tool, the property shows up over here, and that's it. Okay, the next is the toolbox here. Toolbox consists of your tools. Okay, you can always click and drag. You can keep it wherever you like. You can mount it here. Okay, you can keep it, it depends on how you use it. Okay, it depends on on your convenience. You can always reset it again if you have done anything wrong. Okay, essentially it will come to the original place. Okay, here, and these are your your tabs, different tabs. Okay, these are your tabs: layers, channels, paths, adjustments, swatches. You can close them. Right click, close. If you press close tab group, it will close the both of these tabs. Just close for single close, just close, right click, close, right click, close, close. You can close like that, or you can close the whole. Come again, workspace, or reset, come to the original look of the workspace. Okay, and that's how you work in Photoshop. Okay, below it is known as the navigation area. Okay, let's start with the actual learning. We'll start with the Marquee Tool. Okay, see the small arrows on your tool. You can always right click to see more tools inside of it. Okay, these are known as flyout menus. Okay, for now I will work on the rectangular Marquee Tool. Okay, let me bring an image. I'll choose a little. I'll choose, yeah, okay, IBM. This is an IBM logo. I've taken it from the internet. Okay, okay, the Marquee Tool. You can always press M on your keyboard, okay, to choose the Marquee Tool. Nice rectangular selection. Okay, these are known as marching ants. Okay, marching ants. Okay, see this little ant like thing moving around. These are known as marching ants. Okay, and this indicates that you have selected the area. Okay, great. Okay, I'll do a quick selection of this area. Right click, cut. Okay, I've cut the desired area in the form of a rectangle. Let's undo. For undo, press, you must be using Ctrl+Z. Earlier it works in Photoshop, but I recommend that you use Ctrl+Alt+Z to return multiple times. Okay, return multiple times. Okay, you can return multiple times backwards. Okay, Ctrl+Z again. And if you want to remove the selection, to undo the selection, press Ctrl+D. Okay, Ctrl+D to deselect the area. Okay, please note it down. D to deselect the area. Okay, sometimes you may not know how to deselect, and you have to, you have to come to edit, and then you have to search for your type of action. Where do I deselect? So and so. Or you can right click or choose deselect. Great. Or from a keyboard, Ctrl+Z. Well, if you want to select this IBM in the form of a square, how to do it? Press down your shift key on your keyboard and just select. Okay, you can always move and adjust. Okay, and that's how you do it. You get a perfect square. You get a square when you press down the shift key and draw. Okay, right click and cut. See, nice. You can always hide or show which layer you want to see. Okay, in the form of a rectangle. Great. I'll undo it. Return again. Ctrl+Alt+Z. Okay. Next is the elliptical Marquee Tool. In the form of an oval, you can select IBM in the form of an oval. Right click, cut, or copy. Okay, according to your needs. Undo. If you want a circle, same thing, press down shift. You get a perfect round circle. Cut. Great. Sorry for the noises. Okay, see, from a keyboard, if you want to choose the rectangular Marquee Tool without your mouse coming over here and clicking the flyout menu and then choosing again and again. Just press down your shift and press M. Okay, and you will see the selection. Please see over here. Press down shift and press M to to toggle between your tools. Okay. Okay, let's start with another tool, which is the Lasso Tool. Okay, I'll select the Lasso Tool, right click, Lasso Tool, or from your keyboard it is L. Lasso Tool is nothing but consider you are taking a scissor, a blade, and cutting around just like that, freehand. Okay, just like that. Okay, you have selected the area, freehand, by freehand selection, cut, see. Okay, next tool is the Polygonal Lasso Tool. I will choose a different image for that. I will choose this. I will drop into a new tab here. Okay, this I have taken from shutterstock.com. You can always see the watermark. I am using this for educational purpose. I don't have the copyright for this image. Okay, the Polygonal Lasso Tool. Okay, Polygonal Lasso Tool is used when you want to do a selection that consists of straight lines. Okay, I'll show you how. Select, click, okay, see it's like it's sticking. Bring, click, and you can always end at the place where you started. You see there is a small circle which indicates that you have reached the starting point. So click and finish. See, you have done a selection of the desired area. Right click, and you can always do a cut or copy. Okay, you can also save the selection. Means you can save the this area only. Let's do cut. Okay, see, you have cut the information. Zoom out, control see, backspace to delete, to come back. Okay, see, sometimes you may go wrong like that. Yeah, you can always press backspace to come back. Okay, great. Or if you want to come back all at once, just press the escape key, ESC, escape key on your keyboard to escape. Other than pressing backspace one by one, it wastes a whole lot of time. Just press escape key to escape from. Okay, Control D to deselect. Okay, that's it. Polygonal Lasso Tool. Next is the Magnetic Lasso Tool. Magnetic Lasso Tool, I'll choose another. Like that.